There's always that one person that will always have your heart. You never see it coming cause you're blinded from the start. Know that you're that one for me. It's clear for everyone to see. Ooh, baby.
Yeah. You gotta rock and wait in this one. Come on.
See, I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And
it's the only way we know how to rock.
I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And
it's the only way we know how to rock. Do you remember?
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jazz.
Put a smile on your face.
Come on, boy.
You put a smile on your face, then I go.
Would you go?
And my name is Quiz.
And this is Quiz and Jazz TV.
And today we're back with another reaction video. And the title of this video is Extreme Sneezing Prank. This video was uploaded by Perfect Lab and it was requested by multiple people. If you guys now want to watch us react to the video, then we'll leave a link to the original video down in the description section titled original video. You gotta go down, click that link, and watch the original video without seeing us in the bottom left hand corner of your screen. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Get away from him. Move. Get away from him. What is up, gang? What is up, squad? I am back with another YouTube video. I am back with another one. And today, man, y'all already know what it is, man. My girl Ari and her son Daniel is over my house. They over my house, man. It's Sunday, Monday, Monday, whatever you want to say, man. But listen, they are over here, and Armand and Trey are in Detroit. They went home for a few days, and I'm going to do this extreme sneezing prank on Ari. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be acting like my allergies, they acting up so bad to where I keep sneezing and keep sneezing and keep sneezing, and I'm going to keep sneezing purposely on Ari. So I'm going to be drinking this water, and I'll be like, all the water's gonna spit
so either way, she's still gonna be spitting
every single time. And though she's gonna get aggravated, gonna get irritated, because wouldn't you get mad and annoyed? You think they sneezing on you? Like, I would get so pissed, bro. I'd be mad because I'll be like, nigga, you being nasty. Stop sneezing on me. So she's not even gonna know it's water, because I'll be doing it on the spot, because she up there in her
water and spit.
You're watching cartoons, etc., etc. I'm gonna set this camera up, and we're gonna let this sneezing game begin. All over every single time, and that's so nasty, bro, just thinking about it. But I'm gonna see y'all in the front, man. Hit that thumbs up. It's prank wars, it's prank season. I'm not letting up. Never will I let up. Let's get straight to it.
Oh, but that was a banana and all.
Jazz, that's so nasty. Who sneezes on somebody? My bad. No. Move. Help you out. My life and everything you see me editing. I'm gonna help you out, Earth. Y'all don't got no lights on my head. You got my head. That's just nasty. I'm sorry. My allergies keep acting up. No, you're sneezing on me on purpose because I can see you. You're standing right there. If you gotta sneeze, you go in the corner. Sneeze in your arm. Sneeze in your shirt. Oh, my bad, Ari, my bad. Ari, my bad. Ari, my bad. Ari, my bad. I swear my allergies acting up so much. Okay, I'm just giving a paper towel real quick. No.
Bro, she's sneezing out the banana and all. That make it even worse.
Mm-hmm.
Stay away from me. I don't know what you're doing. Who was sneezing like that? You get my everything wet. Let me get my phone. It's my voice to blow. You don't gotta go there. I'm just gonna go to the bedroom. Oh my Lord. You gonna take me to go to the bedroom? Yeah, because you're sick, and when I drop you off, I'm gonna keep moving. Why? We don't gotta go, baby. You don't gotta go. Listen. Okay. I'm just gonna move away from you because I don't want to keep sneezing. Get out, Jack. Look at him because you got me mad. That's so nasty. When I said, if I get sick, I'm sick. You sick on me nasty. You're sneezing on me and on my stuff. You have Lysol wipes.
Ooh.
I didn't mean to do that with Yes. You're disgusting. You're disgusting. You need to spray. Move back. Move back. Everything. Why you want to spray? I'm sick. Okay, move back. I'm sick. Look, I need to be my left time. Okay, move. I need to be my left time. So nasty self. No, you need to get some Lysol wipes because you sneezing on me. That's so nasty.
Bro, that banana is making that shit so worse. Oh, now the baby.
My bad, bro. My bad. Why would you sit down? I didn't mean to. Go to your room. I was trying to get him up. Common sense says go to your room. I was trying to get him quick. I was just trying to get him quick. Because y'all was going to go. I was just trying to get him quick.
Crying too.
Because you don't just sneeze on me. That's so nasty. I'm not sneezing. I'm obviously sneezing. Please sneeze in the room and stay in there for like 5 minutes. You keep sneezing. You're not even trying to help yourself. Like you have to go get your keys. Come on, let's go. You need Benadryl so bad. Okay, my bad. Punch you down. Because you got to make me so mad. Because you're sneezing on me and you're sneezing on my child. Sneeze again. Sneeze again. Sneeze again. Hey, don't sneeze again. Why are you screaming? Sneeze again. I am different. Sneeze again. There's no need for you to sneeze on me or him. Bro, stop spraying that off on me. I'm sick right now. You're trying to get me sicker, bro. My mama slapped me, bro. Stop spraying that on me. Stop spraying that on me. I'm sick right now, bro. They gonna make me sick. You're a stranger. Do it for myself. Jazz, play with me. Jazz. You're just. Come on. Come on. You're disgusting. You're disgusting. You're beyond disgusting. Who sneezes on somebody? Don't know when they about to sneeze. You can feel that stuff when you about to sneeze on somebody. Then you go sneeze on my child. And then when you sneeze in the air, stay in the air for 5 minutes. Get away from him. Get away from him. Move. Get away from him. Because you was here and I heard spraying chemicals all in my face. You telling me we can go as if I didn't say it was leaking already. Ugh.
Boy, she spit then.
She sure did.
Get your phone, it's on the counter. Hurry up, get your stuff. I don't want your laptop staying until the morning. Right? Hurry up. That's gonna be nasty. Oh, crap. I'm finna clean it up, Eric. Shut up. You shut up. Shut up, talk to me. Okay, shut up. Shut up. Talk to me. Shut up and leave. Hurry up. Come on, get up. Here. Can you hurry up and get out of my house? It's a prank. It was water. It was
Shit,
water.
that was water, spit, and chewed up bananas.
Take a water bottle. Take sips of it every 5 seconds when you're not looking. You was real like spitting on you, Jazz. No, it wasn't. It was water.
Shit.
It was literally water. It wasn't my
Spit and
spit.
water.
Yeah, but she didn't even drink a lot.
She did.
It's a prank, girl. Like I was really sneezing. I'm not sick. I'm healthy. I'm good. I'm A1. It's a prank. It still came out your mouth. That's so that you was just spitting on me.
Pretty much.
It was a prank. It's a prank. Why are you tripping?
Prank not tonight, cause you
So now you can play, but I can't play. All right, well y'all go ahead and dip then. Skip. School doodle. No, I'm playing. Stay though. This time, won't you save me? Baby, I could feel myself giving up. Giving up. It's a prank, girl. I was not really sneezing on you. I'm not nowhere near sick. It's water. You needed a shower. Thank you, booty cell. And what you here running for?
She's such a crybaby.
It's a prank, girl. Get out your feelings. Unpack your stuff. Dang. People can play with you. Stop being a baby about stuff. Stop being like Daniel. Stop crying about stuff. It's a prank. Girl, shut up. You don't know. You don't know what my camera did yet. Nah, ain't nothing up. It's prank wars. It's prank season. I'm not.
Like, you still got banana in their head.
Make sure y'all go subscribe to Crybaby Airy. Channel link is in the description down below. Go show her Crybaby still some love. Look at her from the cry right now. Make sure y'all also thumbs up this prank because it was a good one. It was epic. I was sneezing everywhere.
I mean, it was a good prank, but it was just nasty.
It was just nasty. It was like the banana and water coming out her mouth. And it's still like
Girl, shut up,
spit
man.
all
It's
together.
a prank. Thumbs it up, man. Go ahead and smack that thumbs up. As always, go to my blog channel, Perfect Loud Vlogs, in the description down below for everyday lit vlogs of my life, man. As always, I'ma see my game tomorrow or the day after that. So be easy, gang. Peace.
Either way, it was a good prank, but either way, it spit and water mix and all that coming together by her mouth.
Yeah. Oh, that's just the bananas made that junk worse, man. But anyway, guys, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. And also don't forget to leave us some suggestions of other videos that we should react to. And of course, we'll react to them. But we'll catch you guys for the next video.
In that order, 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 in that order. I look good, smell good.